how to chain these cable reels. There's 7 of them. One of them going to Illinois, the rest on the last 6 of them going to Indiana. So we're gonna do, we have 2 chains in the front, one chain, and then 2. I'm recording the video on my phone too, so make sure y'all go subscribe to my TikTok or whatever. That's where this video gonna be at. I'm gonna have to drop a TikTok in a YouTube video. I want to get chains out, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna need 6 chains. You know what I'm saying? Same amount of binders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 binders also. 6 chains, 6 binders. Really could put just 1 chain back here, but per DOT, I'm gonna just put 2. gotta clean this out, honestly. I just haven't had the time. I think when I get my truck back, I'm gonna clean it out. Alright. Use this ladder over here. We'll start chaining it down. We're gonna start with this front one though. This right here. So y'all can see me a little bit better, you know what I'm saying? Alright. Put this down. We got this high pole. We're gonna take this chain, stick it inside there. Push it through the hole. Look on the other side. You're gonna drop it. You're gonna do the same thing with this one. Stick it through here. Normally the places you pick these up at, they're provided for you. You're gonna do the same thing. Look through that hole. And that's it. We're gonna do it all on just like that. Simple. I'm gonna show y'all. Let me go grab this other side. teardrop it just like that. This is how you make a teardrop. You wrap it around, but you wrap it around here. And it's like that. Same thing. This like that. Gonna come over here, back to the other side. You're gonna do the same thing. Same way you did over there. You're gonna do it over here. Take it here. I don't like using this, as you could see, because it eventually tears. There's two ways you could do it. Put it here and run it to the other side of here, like that. Or you could teardrop it like I did the other side. Either or. You just gotta make sure it's pulling front and back. Like that. I'm having a brain fart here. Hold up. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Instead of me teardropping it, bring it here. Same thing with this one. So you don't want to hook your hook to here. That's what causes it to rip. But you can slide it in here and like this here, like that. So and then you gonna move on to the next one. Same process. Same process. Get chained up. And I really can't see. So stand on here. Make sure don't go all the way through. But sometimes you can't see, so you gotta kind of make sure. I really can't see anything. That's what come with short people trying to do flatbed. I think that's it. This is the last one. We're gonna do it like we did the first one. These normally would just pour straight down. We're gonna do the other side first. Make sure take push straight down, teardrop it just like that. That's how you make a teardrop. Same thing with this one. Down. We're gonna use this. Chill, drop it just like that. Now we can move to the last one. Not even a full trailer, and it's probably about 12,000 pounds altogether. I set my phone up. This. these up. I'm gonna secure these things. Alright, let's go over here to the other side. Make sure these chains in there like swimwear. You know what I'm saying? In there like swimwear. Swimwear. See, this is messed up, so I'm not gonna use this. Put it here. Bring it up right here. Just like that. Now we can secure them. Just the way you like. I threw the party of the century, and people came over, no one left over. You the you the you. We need both of these janks for this big reel right here. I've been looking out for the shoulder. Don't let the world in. Close your mouth, don't let the world in. Just for the bit when I use two of these boys. That's for the short guys, you know what I'm saying? Cause I threw the party of the century. Still gonna need this ladder though, just to put this shit. Well, no the fuck I ain't. I just take this. I'm gonna check this other side and make sure that teardrop's still on that bad boy. Yup. See, cause sometimes it'll slip out. Gotta come back over here and fix it. Yeah, nope. Cause I threw the party of the century, and people came over, no one left over. You always want to put the short end up top. You feel me? All right there. You want to take this, bring that, pull it from the bottom, and just like that. You know what I'm saying? Cause I threw the party of the century. Hey, Fat Mom, I have to call you back. Huh? What you doing?
She trying to tell you about knowledge.
What Bubby did?
They pulled it. No, I'm not finished getting ready yet. Look at Sam. Come on.
That is how you do it. Now we all done. We all done. Shit. That's it. I'll holler at y'all. Fat Mom, I have to call you back in a minute, okay? You heard me, Fat Mom? I'm gonna have to call you back.
Where you at?
Columbia.
Where?
Columbia.
Columbia. Are you busy?
Kinda, yeah.
Kind of, yes. All right, well, I guess we gonna hang up. Here go Robin. Yeah, I think he was being not that much. Well, all right, babe. She just want to talk to you. Just text me or call me when you can.
All right, love you.
Love you.
I do the party of the century. Shit. The people came over, no one else. Like that. Same old thing. As far as you can get it to the top. That part is good. It was all for you. It was all for you. And that down here. Right there. Yep. I threw the party of the century. People came over, no one had so good. It was all for you. It was all for you. thing, you gotta make sure you hit it to where you say, that thing ain't going nowhere. Need one more. I've been down the rock for so long. Don't let it running. Close your mouth. It's going higher again. Last one. You can get up out of here, kid. I could do that with my hands. This one should be gravy. Next thing you want to do, grab you some bungees and wrap up the excess, you know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? Down the other thing under there. I ain't even know. Am I firing? Yeah, that's what I meant to get these bungee cords. I be losing my training though. Get these bungees. You gonna wrap up that chain with it. The rest of it. You know. You know. This one ain't really got much, but we still gonna wrap it. Keeps it from making the chain get loose, because that's gonna be dangling. Making the chain get loose. You know. Real street now, eh? Don't let this street shit fool you. Am I firing? Firing. Ooh, am I firing again? I do the party of the century.
I got niggas mad as a hoe cause I jumped in the game and spit cocaine. He better